takes you straight to Dhruv Bhandari's house to wish him tons of happiness on his birthday.
Hi, thank you so much for having me, India Forums, and thank you for this wonderful cake, which has some beautiful flaws, which I will tell you about. But today, India Forums is celebrating my birthday, and I'm very excited about it. So I'll start off with cutting my cake. I have to say something to all of you. ये प्लीज जरा देखिए, बहुत ही बेहतरीन ब्यूटीफुल सा केक है. प्लीज फाइंड द मिस्टेक्स इन इट. और वो सब कमेंट्स करना. हालांकि इंटरव्यू तो आशी माँ का है, लेकिन ये जो सरासर नाइंसाफी हुई है मेरे साथ, वो रंजनी ने की है. सो प्लीज कमेंट एंड टेल हर दैट शी स्पेल्ड माय नेम रॉन्ग. But they both are very sweet, and even he's very sweet. So everybody is very sweet, and thank you, India Forum. And this one's for you. Wow, it's so good. It's really good. Thank you. Don't worry, मैं आप लोग के सबके हिस्से का केक खाने वाला हूँ.
So friends, now Dhruv will reveal his birthday plans to us. Let's find out more about his life.
Well, मैंने actually इस बार कुछ special plan नहीं करना चाह रहा था, but अभी भी कुछ ऐसा special plan नहीं, but I'm traveling, I'm going out of town. तो I don't know अब मैं birthday के लिए यहाँ होऊंगा भी कि नहीं, but let's see, we'll go with the flow. But I'll keep it very normal, spend time with family and your close friends. I think बचपन में हम लोग जब when we were in college, तो हम लड़के बड़े शरारती थे. तो somebody had given me a showpiece, like a very nice showpiece which had some girl and some snowfall. And I remember मैंने वो देखा, मैंने यार भी इसका मैं क्या करूँगा, you know. So that was one. But recently I was doing another birthday segment और मैं gift खोल रहा था. And so nicely the whole box was wrapped and इतनी सारी चीज़ें निकल रही थी उसमें से. Suddenly उसमें से एक ट्यूबलाइट निकला, बल्ब, you know, not tube light, sorry, that LED bulb, and Philips. And I saw that, I was like, okay, मैं ये Philips के LED light का मैं क्या करूँगा? But then obviously I was surprised because उसके बाद मैंने और gifts खोले, so there was a lamp. So I realized, oh, but yeah, I have got a few funny gifts, but I love all the possible gifts I've ever got. If I want to erase it, actually no, I really don't have too many regrets, and even if I have regrets about certain things, it's a learning experience. तो अगर मैंने कोई गलतियाँ की हैं तो it's a good thing, क्योंकि वो गलतियों से मैं सीख गया हूँ, and शायद I've become a little better person, and there's always scope for improvement. So yeah, it's okay, I don't want to change anything, but there are lots of things I want to add. ऐसे तो 100 destinations, there are 100 destinations, but something which has been on my mind for the last couple of months, I definitely want to go to Kashmir. And I not only Kashmir, in fact I wanna go on the base camp at Himalayas. So that's one. I really want to do that. I want to go to Santorini. I want to go to Bora Bora, and okay, 3 हो गए ना, मेरी लिस्ट नेवर एंडिंग है. Which I want to change. बाल छोटे हो गए हैं, तो आई थिंक एक चीज़ चेंज हो गई है कि मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाऊंगा बाल सेट करने में. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ one improvement. But I think there's a lot of things. I want to be more focused on work, and I want to just keep on doing more and more good work and entertaining everybody as much as I can. I don't think there's any point me telling my age, because whenever I tell anybody my age, they don't believe me. So I've stopped telling my age to anybody and everybody. Why do you want to know my age? I'm 31. I'm 31. Ask me 3 questions. No, very important for me. Nobody. I mean, if I have to really say somebody, then it could be someone like Miss Ekta Kapoor, who's the best producer, and I'm like, oh yeah, I want to work with her. Rashmi Sharma, and then there is Who's the third producer? Name one. And yeah, and the third one, the last not the least, is Miss Nivedita Basu. I mean, I think both these women are very powerful and they're just fantabulous in their job. So yeah, I think they are most important. ये मैं खुद अपने आप को बहुत बार पूछता हूँ. I think if I was not an actor, एक तो बहुत difficult होता to think about anything. But I might be, number one would be a restaurant here. I really love food and I think it's my dream also. So hopefully, with God's grace, वो एक दिन होगा. I might even be an interior designer. I don't think I'm that good at it, but मुझे है एक knack to try to do things. And third would probably be an event planner. Yeah. Dirty fact. I think this is ये हो गए. I think कुछ साल हो गए. But maybe just a couple of years. हम लोग सब दोस्त लोग बाहर गए थे and we were I think we were celebrating someone's birthday कि क्या मेरा ही birthday था शायद, I don't remember. And हम we went out to party and थोड़ी ज़्यादा हम लोग सब ने पी ली and we all had some my friends wanted to have some particular shots, so we said okay चलो let's try. वो try करने के चक्कर में we drank and poor thing, there was one friend of mine जो he was not drinking and तो हमने उसको बोला कि ठीक है तेरे ग्लास में हमने खाली पानी रखा है और there's this plain Sprite, let's have it. And we made him drink alcohol and he got so drunk. So I feel really bad. I feel really bad that we were very naughty and we were very bad. So in fact I want to say sorry to him यार. And same night then we were leaving, हम इतनी मस्ती में थे कि without realizing I just took the car and I didn't even wait for my driver and I started driving. And then I just drove for 5 minutes and I got a shouting and I got a call and I was like, oh, I should not drink and drive. So I stopped the car and I waited for my driver to come there and then he drove. So that's another, in fact, it's a message, please never drink and drive. There's lots happening. Knock on wood. But I actually just want to tell my fans a heartfelt thank you because I've not been on air for a couple of months now and these guys have showered me with so much of love and so many gifts and so many wishes. They've made me feel that it's been my birthday every day for the past 1 month. वो हर रोज messages, tweets and edits and they've kept a countdown and I don't think I've ever felt this special in my entire career. So it's amazing. I love all my fans so much and I'm just not just that, I'm very proud to have them as my fans. So I love you. Thank you so much. Please just continue all this because yes, I'm greedy, but I love it because you guys bring a smile on my face every day and I promise I'm coming very soon.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching India Forums all the time. Ashima with cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi everybody, this is Dhruv Bhandari. You're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to India Forums on YouTube.